Oh. Right into the truck.
There he goes.
Watch it.
You're a wild man. He don't give a shit.
No.
Little bugger.
That's what I mean. The handlebars are a little too low for him to control it.
You could probably pick him up, could you?
I don't know. I think so. At
He'll
least.
get the hang and he'll be bent right over
Oh,
like
yeah.
a friggin' real bike. Jesus, he brave.
He loves anything that moves.
He'd be gone everywhere in that.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm terrified where we live, like with the four-wheelers. It's like the only place you're allowed to go is into the field, like right beside us.
Yeah. They go all up along, like that field goes for fucking miles.
Yeah.
So they go up.
Look at him,
there,
kid.
but- Look at him,
There he
he's got
is.
the hang of her. That's cute.
You're doing it.